Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you the MLK knot in honor of Martin Luther King for Martin Luther King Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over, put in my dimple, bring it over to the center, like so. I'm going to come across like this. And we're going to do one loop around like that and come back here like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back down here like this, across it, and then I'm just going to fold it down like that. And then I'm going to do this right here. Just keep going and create a loop. And then I'm going to bring this around and I'm going to kind of create this effect around the knot. Then I'm going to come up and underneath it like so. We're going to have it folded in half here. And we're going to fold it like this. This is what we have so far. Kind of adjust that. That is going to end up kind of looking like that, which is fine. Then I'm going to fold it in half and come, I actually want to come underneath, yeah, this one. We'll tuck this down. And we'll kind of leave this out a little bit like that, not completely bring it in. Let me put my collar down. There you have it, the MLK knot. So, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.